Hello guys and welcome back to Caught on Dashcam channel. We'll start today's episode off with an unfortunate cyclist who hit a patch of oil on the road and crashed. Semi-truck driver could not be bothered here at all and he casually ran a red light. Because of drivers like him, it always pays off to wait a second or two even if you have a green. Driver leaving the queue was in a straight-only lane, but instead of going straight, he made an illegal turn to the left, and that could have easily come with a lot of consequences.
Cube in the office and no one says anything. No one says, where did this come from? I know. I would have loved just one talking head where someone was like,
Pay close attention at the driver in front of the camera. He cut the corner as he was making a turn, but that's not all. He even had difficulties in staying in his own lane.
What the heck are you doing? Yay. Oh, cut the corner.
Ladies and gentlemen, you have the first-hand experience of an impatient driver right here at your own hands.
Don't even look. Don't look.
People were sitting outside, having a good time and a meal together. Everything was peaceful, but that soon changed in one moment because one driver is about to cause a wreck. This is usually what happens when you merge onto the road without looking at all. How on earth did this driver who pulled out onto the road did not see a vehicle that was there right before his very eyes?
Go! Battery?
Camera was being tailgated for a few minutes now by a reckless and an impatient driver. But that's not all. The crazy driver passed him even on the inside and forced the camera out of his lane.
That's battery. How is that right? Battery, right? Look out. Yep, that's right. You just committed that, right? Chief of police. That doesn't work that way, dude.
Driver that was on the camera's left side was speeding. He was speeding a bit too much for his own good, and that cost him, because he got nailed by a school zone speed detector. In this video, the camera prepared some epic fails by drivers who don't know how to behave in traffic. Hopefully, you'll enjoy this mini compilation of crazy drivers and learn a thing or two. And with this clip, we conclude another amazing episode on Caught on Dashcam channel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and learning based on all the mistakes you saw from today's episode. If you truly like this type of content, feel free to leave a like, because that would be greatly appreciated. And while you're at it, subscribe and click on the bell button to stay up to date with all the latest content we put out. Until the next episode, drive safe and take care.